Yo guys, welcome to another video on my YouTube channel. Today we will look on the Bitcoin chart, on the Bitcoin price and the next maybe possible move, what will be huge I think, for Bitcoin. I got today in the morning, I got a buy signal from my signal chart on TradingView. I will share it with you. Here I get every time 1 hourly, 4 hourly, daily buy and sell signals, and in the morning was a 4 hourly buy signals. Now it could be possible that I will get a 1 hourly sell signal, but we will see at the end of this hour. I will share my screen monitoring and share everything with you what I have now for you. So we are now on the Bitcoin chart on the 4 hourly time frame. What you see here is that we broke a few days ago this resistance, because that was a crazy resistance, and we got here support. So the next move for Bitcoin, what we have to do, we have to break this level here in about 40,600, 40,700. That this breakout is valid and we can go up to our next move. What will be the price target of this? I will share this in a few seconds with you. That would be normally where we are here. Exactly here, about the 42,000, and when I scroll up a little bit, you see the power of the VPVR candles. By the way, if you use TradingView, the free version of TradingView, and you know maybe that you can add the VPVR, the volume profile candles in it, I have another video on the channel, I will put it at the end of the video, that also in the free version you can use this VPVR. I have both. I have I have here the TradingView Pro version, but I like more this free version of the VPVR. So the next price target would be the 42,100, about, what is very, very nice with the next bigger VPVR candle, where we can get the next reaction. But we will see if we hold here the support, the yellow VPVR is the biggest support, the biggest trading volume what we have here. And then when you see here in this 4 hourly candle, we had a perfect bounce here and go again up. We had a perfect bounce here and we go again up. So what the 1 hourly chart is saying, we will look here. Yeah, we had here, that looks not so nice, but the 1 hourly chart, the EMA ribbon, that is flip bullish. You see here this yellow candle flip bullish, and that is a nice sign. Normally, when the 1 hourly candle, 1 hourly EMA ribbon flips bullish, then should be the 4 hourly also come to the same move. But I told you in the beginning of the video, I have here something for my Bitcoin charts. I have here some secret indicators, I will call it like that, where we give that gives me some buy and sell signals, and very valid buy and sell signals on the 4 hourly candle. For example, in Bitcoin, it's very, very good. You see it today in the morning, I got this 4 hourly buy signal here on the April 26th. We got a sell signal, and when you trade this sell signal, it was a profit of approximately 4 to 5%. Depends on your leverage, it could be 25 to 50% profit while Bitcoin was falling, you know. And not just here, we had these signals a lot of times before. You see, I got here a sell signal, I got here a buy signal, here a sell signal, and also when we have a consolidation market like here, we can take less profits, but we get profits. But I want to share other things with you. This was a valid buy signal, and look, this 15% pump of Bitcoin, and this indicator showed me this before and say, hey, please take now or place now a long position and you will make nice profits. And I personally trade every time with a 10x leverage, so that would be 156% in profit. It's crazy, guys, crazy. Yeah, that is I can show you something different here. SKL today, SKL US Tether. It was just today in the morning, I got this buy signal and it was 18.23% for profit just today in one trade. Absolutely amazing. But I forget to share with you on the Bitcoin chart. There is something what I want to share with you. That's the daily. We go back to the daily chart, and I put just this a little bit more away. So now we have a little bit more cleaner here. Yes, it's better. What is not so nice, we are below our support from this uptrending channel here. And also we're fighting with the last VPVR candle here, because when the Bitcoin price falls lower than about approximately 38,100, then it looks very, very bearish, because we have so much place to go downside, about the 34,000 US dollars. And I want to share something with you for this line, because when I go back to the weekly chart, you see here exactly the weekly chart, the $34,000 are our last bigger support what we have before we go down to the about 28. So that's not so nice. We have also in the daily chart, what we don't have to miss out, the bearish flip of the EMA ribbon. That's really, really bad, because the last bearish flip what we had was here, and we get here a completely, this was the beginning of this, yeah, we call it bear market. Absolutely not nice. Yeah. So we will see what the future, the next few hours will say, what the price will do, what is the next big move for Bitcoin, and if we make more profits or we lose our trades. For the moment, I have a trade open from the 4-hourly chart. What I show you was here from this valid buy signal. At the moment, it looks a little bit dangerous, because here was my entry point, and now the Bitcoin is about to go back to my entry point, but we had here this reaction, from the support. So I look positive in the future. We will see today. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would really appreciate when you like the video, leave a comment to push my algorithm, and yes, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.